Welcome to my channel Into Talents. So today I have done a smart bin. It is very advanced robotic project in this robotics. Now I'll show you my items which I used. I used ultrasonic sensor, wires, Arduino microcontroller, a bucket, servo motor and a lid to cover it. Now I'll tell you the connections of servo motor. In my previous videos in LED patterns, I have told you that the positive terminal of LED should connect to digital pin and the negative terminal of LED should connect to the ground pin. Like that only we need to connect for a servo motor. However, the servo motor has 3 pins. First pin should connect to 5 volt of Arduino. Second pin should be connected to ground pin of Arduino. Third pin should connect to digital pin of Arduino. Now we have completed the connections of servo motor. Now I will explain you about the ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is a sensor which senses our hands, produces waves from this cluster oscillator. The waves are received from the receiver through the transmitter and sends the signal to the servo motor. And the servo motor, after receiving the signal from the ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor gets on. So now I will tell you the connections of the ultrasonic sensor. The echo pin and trick pin should get connected to any digital pins, and VCC pin should be connected to 5 volt and ground pin should connect to ground pin of Arduino. Now we have completed the connections of ultrasonic sensor. Now I will show you how my project works. I used a power bank for getting power supply to this dustbin. If you don't have a power bank, you can use your computer, and you can also use an adapter which is given. Now I am on my dustbin. When I put my hand on ultrasonic sensor, the plastic clip of the servo motor rotates and it's connected to thread, so it pulls the lid of the dustbin and the dustbin gets open. Again, when I keep my hand, it's connected with the thread, so again when I keep my hand, the lid gets closed. Opened, closed, opened, closed. Now I put waste into it. So guys, this is my coding. I have done my coding in MBlock software. I have written the code in such a way that when I keep my hand onto the ultrasonic sensor, the lid should open, and when I again keep my hand on the ultrasonic sensor, the lid should get closed. So guys, I have made this project with my own creativity on my own. I hope you guys like our video. If you like our video, like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you later in the next video.